guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this nail art is inspired by the old saying, which is April showers brings May flowers. And I also wanted to do more like beginner friendly, super easy nail art on my channel. That being said, in today's nail art, I'm showing you how to do these May flowers inspired nails. So here's a quick glimpse of all the products I'm going to be using in today's nail art, and of course I'll have the whole list in the description box down below. But to start off, you're going to paint all of your nails 2 coats of a black nail polish. My all-time favorite black nail polish is no, it's not this one. Yeah, no, in all seriousness, I'm not trying to drag Sally Hansen. I mean, this is a pretty good nail polish. It just requires 2 coats. For this next part, I don't want to come off as I'm just rambling or whatnot, but I'm just taking various colors of acrylic paint and just sketching out, different flowers, different pollen, leaves, vines. I'm not using any kind of professional nail art brushes or anything. I'm literally just using a toothpick that I got at a Chinese buffet and a safety pin, and I am just dotting on flowers. Like, that's it. I don't know, like this nail art, I want to say is inspired by the Talevera, like the pottery that's traditional in Mexico. I'm doing this voiceover, but it's what more can I say? Because I feel like visually you can see just me dotting and just drawing on these little flowers and whatnot. Yeah, no, seriously, I'm just rambling at this point, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my pinky nail real quick, but hopefully you can see just how I sketched it all on. Look at this, it's so simple, it's so easy, yet so eye-catching. Oh, yes, I love it. And also what's super sad is that my favorite nail design out of this whole mani was my thumbnail, but unfortunately it didn't record, but this is how it ended up looking. Okay, so the thunderstorm outside is getting pretty bad. A loud clash of thunder just went off. That being said, whenever all of my nails dried, I went over them with a quick dry top coat. And then because I like the matte finishes, I chose to go with the matte finish, but feel free to add any top coat of your liking. I don't mean for this nail art tutorial to be so rushed. I hate thunderstorms. They're one of my biggest fears. But anyways, guys, so that was pretty much it. That's how I did today's nail art. I know it wasn't really much of a tutorial because I didn't really explain much. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, thanks for watching.